Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. In this videos, we will share about inside of Sphere Vegas. Take a look inside Sphere that show a spectacular display of Starship rocket launch at the space. Inside the Sphere features 160,000 speakers and the largest LED screen on the planet, boasting an 18K, 60 frames per second display. Meet Aura the robot, who will work in the grand atrium of Sphere Vegas. Aura's role at Sphere marks a truly innovative application of robots. 5 humanoid robots will greet and assist guests at Las Vegas Sphere. As if being Earth's largest sphere and having giant LED screens inside and out wasn't enough, the MSG Sphere has announced its next plan to take Vegas to the future with robots. A gigantic emoji in the middle of Las Vegas. This is the magic of the MSG Sphere, a spherical LED screen with the highest resolution in the world, 16K. The venue will be opened on the 29th of September by Irish rockers U2. The venue features the largest and highest resolution LED screen in the world. Take a look, a Mortal Kombat media promotions that showed in Sphere Vegas. Absolutely fantastic. The exosphere is more than a screen or a billboard, it is living architecture, and unlike anything that exists anywhere in the world. The exterior is equipped with 1.2 million LEDs, each the size of a hockey puck. In fact, it becomes the largest outdoor screen in the world. The Sphere will formally open in September with the launch of U2's Achtung Baby Live at Sphere Residency. Inside of the venue is a 17,000-seat performance space featuring 160,000 square feet of LED paneling to allow for easy aesthetic changes for different performers. As well as 170,000 ultra-directional speakers meant to target audio to every seat in the venue. The $2.3 billion MSG Sphere in Las Vegas turned on its exosphere for the first time on 4th of July. The 366-foot tall and 516-foot wide structure, featuring the world's largest LED screen, illuminated the Vegas Strip with a spectacular display of imagery.